Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you classic pieces that are never going to go out of style, so you won't have to worry about spending a little bit of extra money on these items because you know that you're going to wear them time and time again and that they're going to last you forever. So these are the items that you should really think about maybe investing a little bit of extra money in and making sure that you have them in your closet. So without further ado, let's jump in. So the first classic item that everyone should have in their closet is a good pair of jeans. Now, in regards to the style of jeans that you're going to choose to invest in, it's going to be whatever style you think fits your body type. So if that's the straight leg jeans, go for the straight leg jeans. If it's boot cut, go for boot cut. Flares, go for flares. Skinnies, go for skinnies. And if it flatters your body type, it's never going to go out of style. So for me, skinny jeans tend to flatter my figure a little bit better because I have narrow hips. So they make me look a little bit curvier, and also I really enjoy flare jeans because I think they also make my hips just look a little bit curvier. So those are the two types of jeans that I invest in. I probably invest a little bit more in the skinnies, but I also really like the flare jeans. The next item that you should invest in is a good black blazer. This, again, it can go with literally anything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, but a black blazer is never going to go out of style. So if you want to invest a little bit of extra money into a really good one that you know is going to last you a couple of years, definitely don't feel guilty about it. This next one is kind of a two-pronged approach. A good leather or faux leather jacket, if you sway more that way, will also never go out of style. So I have a black one here, which is faux leather, and then I also have this tan one here, which is actually suede. Both of them are neutral colors, black and this taupe color. So neither of them is ever going to go out of style. So I know they will last me a really, really long time. However, I also have a pink one and a green one that are faux leather, and they probably will come and go as the trends go every year. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the LBD, the little black dress. Now, not all little black dresses are created equal, okay? Some styles and fashions will go in and out. For example, a black sequin dress is not going to be in style all the time. Neither is one with embroidery or certain cuts and things of that nature. But there are two cuts and two styles that will never, ever, ever go out of style, and they are both used for very different things. Well, sort of kind of different things. But those two styles are the sheath style, like this one, and then the fit and flare style, like this one with a little bit of a longer skirt. Both of them are very elegant, very stylish, and neither of these two types will go out of style. Whereas some of the other types with like different necklines and stuff will probably, go in and out of style a little bit. On with still black items. So black, of course, is one of those staple colors that just usually those items don't go out of style. So another thing you should invest in is a good pair of black trousers. I have two pairs here that I love. This one's a little bit more structured than this pair. They're both by Theory, and I did have to invest a little bit of extra money in them, but I have a little shopping secret for you. Don't invest in a piece just because you think you should. And don't just go out and be like, oh, I have to buy an expensive pair for it to be an investment piece. No, you don't have to go out and buy a super expensive pair. What I tend to do to get my basics and my investment pieces is I shop clearance sales and I shop at discount stores. And by discount stores, I'm talking about like Nordstrom Rack, which is where I get a ton of my classic staples at reduced prices. I can find them on clearance. You have to do a lot of digging and you have to be really patient, but you can do it. And then like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you just have to do a lot of digging and you have to be patient and wait for the right piece to come along. So let's just continue here. We're going to continue with the white and black theme. You should also have a white long sleeve shirt and a black long sleeve shirt. Now, I really like, I didn't say white button down, even though this is a button down, but it's like a different take on a white button down. It actually has like lace here instead of like just, you know, your regular. And I like that the collar isn't as big and it's curved instead of like super sharp. So I really like this. Let me see if I can show you the lace. See if it'll show up. Can y'all see the lace? Yeah, isn't that pretty? And then with the black top, there is something about this top where it is not quite what you would think of a classic style because it has like the kind of a peplum, but since it's black and long sleeve and it's a really good quality shirt, it's actually a silk shirt by Tibby that I got at Nordstrom Rack for like $45. Hence why I say shop those types of stores. It's not going to go out of style just because it is black. Because that peplum isn't going to be as exaggerated as if it had been like pink or something like that. Let's just continue on with the tops. You should also have a classic black lace cami and a classic white lace cami, which I'm actually wearing right now. Then you should also have a plain white t-shirt and a plain black t-shirt. My black t-shirt is in the laundry right now, but it looks exactly like this white one. It's just in black. They're the J. Crew Perfect Fit shirts that I got at Nordstrom Rack for like $5. They fit really well and they're a good thick material, so you don't have to worry about your bra showing through or anything like that. So I will link those down below if Nordstrom Rack still has them. And then I also have short sleeve black and white top in a nicer material that I can like dress up a little bit easier than I could a t-shirt. So those are the classic tops that I know are never going to go out of style, and I can pair them with literally anything. The last two items I'm going to show you are a sweater and a cardigan. Now, sweaters and cardigans, they're never going to go out of style as long as you buy them in a neutral tone. So you can buy them in black, you can buy them in tan, gray, cream. As long as it's a neutral tone, it will never go out of style. So for example, this cream colored sweater, I almost said cardigan. It has some more trendy details like these pom-poms, there's hair there, and it's got more of like that balloony sleeve, and then it's got some detail on the arm here. But I know it's never gonna go out of style because of the color. Like anything can be here, like texture-wise, but as long as the color is a neutral, it will never go out of style. So I know I can hang on to this for years to come. Same with cardigans. So this is a nice gray cardigan. It is just plain. It's not gonna go out of style. However, if it was like bright pink might not always be in, or I keep saying bright pink, or like the leopard print cardigans that you've been seeing, those probably aren't going to last too much longer. So neutrals are your best friend. So I thought we'd just sit here and have a little bit of chat here at the end of the video so that I can remind you guys again, yes, you can spend a little bit of extra money on these items if you want to, just to make sure that you get good quality items instead of like spending like $15. But just a reminder to shop at the discount stores like Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those types of places, because then you can save some money shopping sales. You just have to be patient. You really do have to be patient. And don't settle. Don't settle. If it's not the right fit, or if it's a little too small or a little bit too big, just wait, and eventually one will come along in your size that's going to work for you. But I wouldn't, give up hope and just be like, oh, I guess I'll have to pay like $200 for this. No, just wait. Check those discount stores, even online, because I think you can shop all of those stores online now. Just be patient. Items are going to come available at a cheaper price point, but these are just the ones that you can spend a little bit of extra money on, and they're going to last you for a really long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you really, really liked it, consider subscribing and ringing the bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!